Okay, we got our head here. We got it all carved and sanded down. So now what we want to do is we want to seal it. Fill in all these little holes here. So we're going to do cover the entire head, and I'm going to use this wood filler here. Also made him a pair of hands. You can see how I made hands in earlier videos that are marked hands and feet. So you can see how to make those, how I carved them out. So we got the mouth is done. Like I said, we're going to seal the entire thing with wood filler. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. We'll do this, and I'll probably let it set for a day or two so it gets nice and set up, and then we'll sand it down. Then we'll go back in and touch up whatever needs to be touched up. This is getting a little dry, so I'm going to add a little water so it'll get a little more pasty, so that way it'll spread a lot easier on there. You want it to spread. And even when I open a new thing of filler, I'll add some water just to make it pasty, so it spreads easier. And what you want to do is you want to take a damp cloth and you want to wipe everything down. Get all that sawdust off of there before you start sealing it. Because if it's got sawdust on it, that sealing doesn't want to stick real well. So you want to make sure you wipe it all down with a damp cloth. Get all that sawdust off from all your sanding that you did. But normally I'll let this set for a couple of days once I get it on, and then I'll go out and sand it all down. But this will take care of all the little scratches you might have on there from all your sanding. Any imperfections of the wood, this will help with that. Need this, and we don't need the hands. So you just take your finger and just spread it out on there. You can also take a little bit of water and if you want to smooth it down a little bit, just dip your finger in the water and just run it over top lightly over top this to spread it out a little smoother if you want to do that. like that. And then on your head, I'm going to make sure you fill these holes first, because those will sink in. That. So we'll go ahead and get the entire head covered, and then we'll let it set and dry, and then we'll be back. Thanks for watching.